Hello everyone, welcome back to Channel Reflections. In this video today, I will be comparing two laptops, Lenovo Yoga 7i 14-inch convertible laptop and Dell new XPS 13. Let me start with some similarities. Both laptops are sleek, lightweight with aluminum body. Both of them are Intel EVO certified with Core i7-1165G7 processors. They both are respectable laptops and among the best in the market. Talking about RAM, both have 16GB DDR4, but Dell has 4267 MHz memory compared to Lenovo with 3200 MHz. Both of them have 512GB SSD. Dell give you an option to go up to 2 TB, whereas Lenovo goes up to just 1 TB. Comparing the sizes, Lenovo is little bit heavier side with 3.1 pounds and Dell with 2.64 pounds. Not much of a difference here guys, but they are still considered lightweight. Coming to screen sizes, Lenovo is 12.61 inches compared to 11.64 inches for Dell. Now the ports, both have two Thunderbolt 4 ports and a headphone mic combo. So the difference is Lenovo comes with USB 3.2 generation 1 port, whereas Dell has a micro SD card slot. So depending upon your use, you can choose which one is your preference. In both the laptops, RAM is soldered onto the motherboard. So you need to decide when you buy the laptop how much RAM you need. Battery life is better in Lenovo Yoga 7i with 71 Wh power, whereas Dell has 52 Wh. Both the laptop uses Wi-Fi 6, but Dell has Bluetooth 5.1 compared to 5.0 in Lenovo. Both of these laptops are Full HD and have beautiful displays. Comparing the brightness, Dell XPS 13 is brighter with 500 nits compared to Lenovo with 300 nits. Both the laptops are secure. Lenovo Yoga 7i has a fingerprint scanner at the bottom, whereas Dell XPS 13 has two ways to log in, a fingerprint scanner as well as a facial recognition. Moving on, one more thing to consider is the aspect ratio. Even if they both have sleek design, you need to choose if you prefer 16:10 on XPS 13 compared to 16:9. 16:10 gives you a bit more vertical screen space. If you are more into watching video content, Lenovo Yoga 7i would be a better choice. The other thing to note is that Lenovo Yoga 7i is a touchscreen to draw or sketch. So it has a glass screen which makes it quite glossy, whereas Dell XPS 13 comes with anti-glare screen and it also gives you an option to buy with anti-reflective display. Lenovo Yoga 7i is a convertible tablet. You can flip it around and use it as a tablet with an active pen. If you would like to watch videos, put it in a tent mode. You have more versatility with this, so depending upon your workflow, this might suit your need better. Compared to Lenovo Yoga 7i, Dell XPS 13 is more of a traditional style laptop. Coming to keyboards, I feel Lenovo Yoga 7i has better feel to it with softer keys, whereas Dell XPS 13, the keys are closer together and have more tactile feel to it. So overall, Dell XPS 13 with the same specs as Lenovo Yoga 7i costs $1,350 retail price, whereas Lenovo Yoga 7i is for $1,150. Here is the summary reflecting some of the differences between both the laptops. To sum up, I personally think Dell XPS 13 will give you more flexibility to upgrade to a better configuration, whereas for the same specs, Lenovo Yoga 7i will give you a better value for your money. Well, that's all for today. If you want to see the unboxing and review of Lenovo Yoga 7i, I have posted links on the screen for you. Thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.